Remember, I told you guys that this is going to be the year of uncomplicated recipes. So here we have 2 ingredient air fryer donut holes. One of the best things that you could ever come up with. Remember, all of my recipes are already on the blog with a photo so you can find it very quickly. Guys, this is so uncomplicated. 2 ingredients, self-rising flour and Greek yogurt. Remember, we're doing uncomplicated recipes this year. This was so good. Not only was it great, but I was also able to dunk these in my salted caramel that I used in the previous video. So if you didn't have a chance to see the salted caramel, go back one video and you can catch that recipe as well on my blog. Catch this next recipe that we have coming up.